Colin invited Hudson to stay at one of the sheds in Maverick. As they puff inside, Hudson felt sad. I can't believe that Tim's Sheds is destroyed, and I cannot believe how stupid the Diesels are. I know how you feel, Hudson. I must find a way how to make them behave, Hudson said sadly. You can't charge them now, Hudson. It's been a busy day for the both of us. But Colin can see Hudson looking sad. Don't worry, Hudson. We can fix everything. I'm sure we can get back to Tim's Sheds tomorrow. But that night, a fierce storm swept across the island. It was the strongest wind the engines ever known. It blasted and blew. Colin, I'm scared, said Hudson worriedly. It's alright to be scared, Hudson. It's okay, Colin told him kindly. I'm worried that the airport will be in such a total mess. Don't worry, Hudson. If there's a mess, Sir Topham Hatt will sort everything out. I hope the thunderstorm doesn't do any more damage. Me too, Hudson. Me too. Come on, old boy. We gotta go to bed, said his driver. Yes, indeed, said the fireman. My driver's right, Hudson. Let's go to sleep, shall we? Yes, I would agree. Good night, Colin. Good night, Hudson. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. And with that, the two American steam engines fell asleep, hoping that the storm doesn't do any more damage.